Good morning, children. I'm outside in the garden. I'm getting ready to measure to see if there were any changes with our plants in the garden. Right now, I'm noticing a little bird. I don't know if you can see him. Where'd he go? See him right over there? Where? Right down there? He has a nut or something and he's trying to crack it open. I guess he's hungry. All right, so are you ready now? We're going to go down and we're going to figure out what's going on with the plants today. Let's see. You know, my old lady bones. I probably should start my videos when I'm already down. It might be easier. All right, are you ready? Here you go. Do they look bigger to you? They look bigger to me. Do you see anybody hiding out in there? Did you get to see something? I see my little heart bear. That's my little love bear. So sweet. All right, I figured we're going to measure the littler one first. It was this one that I measured the other day. I hope you can see it well. Right here. So I'm gonna put the ruler behind it and oh my goodness, it is at the number 4. See where it's pointing to? On Friday, it was pointing to 3. It grew a whole inch over the weekend. That's kind of crazy, don't you think? Wow. It grew a lot. That's because it was rainy. Now the next one is the one that's next to the Care Bear, and this one I think might have even grown more. Let me see. Oh my, on Friday that one was at 6. Today it is almost touching the number 8. Can you believe it? It grew 2 inches. It was a good weekend for that one. So this one was 3 and now it's 4. And now this one was at 6 and now it's, oops, I'm too close. Now it is at almost 8. That is just craziness. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this information down because scientists, remember, scientists ask questions and then they do observations. So it says, how tall is plant number 1 was 3 inches on Friday the 3rd. Plant 2, the bigger one, was 6 inches on Friday. So now I'm going to write 4 and I'm going to write 8 over here. All right, so give me 1 minute and then I'm going to put it in. It's hard because I'm a lefty. So give me a minute, okay? I'm writing 4 and 8. See that? 4 and 8. That's a lot of growth. So if it used to be 3 inches and it grew 1 inch, I add 1 more. Now we have 4 inches. What's the difference between Friday and Monday? It was 3 inches then, and now it's 4. So what's the difference? 1 inch. I can't do 6 and 8 inches because I don't have 6 and 8 fingers to show you, but maybe mommies and daddies could do it with you to be able to show that the 6-inch plant grew 2 more inches. So mommies and daddies, help Michelle out with that, please, since I have to hold the phone. I appreciate that. I appreciate that you also came out to the garden and observed with me. All of the plants are growing so nicely. Do you see? They're all getting very tall. Even these little tiny ones. There's a lot of little tiny buds, tiny seedlings, I mean, that are coming up. It makes me very excited. I'm waiting to see if this will grow. Do you remember that's my coneflower? I should stick it under the soil. Might help. All right. Should I leave the Care Bear outside to visit with tomorrow? I think so. And let's take a check on the nest. You keep fun looking at my garden while I get up. Okay, let's go check on the nest now. On the water spout. It's not really any bigger. It's longer still. I don't know. I do know that they come back and forth and visit. All right, guys. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you later.